welcome back to the channel, RK Auto Detailing. Today I just want to make an announcement that with my mechanic's license, I'm going to start offering oil changes. And with that, only oil changes, no mechanic service, brakes, anything like that. And the reason why I'm offering that is I've signed up and teamed up with Amsoil, and I'm going to put a link down below. We have been using them for quite some time. I've been using them for a significant amount of years, and going forward, one of the representatives reached out and just said, hey, with your YouTube channel and your detailing, why don't you offer this? So I thought, I'll throw it out there and see what you guys think. You tell me, comment down below, and is this something you're interested in? You know, you can send me a message. I can get something out to you as far as a cost. We're going to be putting a pricing together here coming up soon. But for the most part, they have, I want to say the 5,000 mile interval oil, the OE, the factory spec oil, and then they have their XL, which is the middle of the road for them, which is a 10,000 mile interval oil change. And then this here I've been using ever since it came out is the Signature Series oil. It's good for 20,000 miles. They say up to 25. I change my oil on a seasonal level because of summer and winter of the extremes. So I usually hit right about now, May, and then my next change will be in November. And I just do it unless we know we have driven. I keep logs on all my personal vehicles with mileage and what was done on each interval. Anything over and above the oil change. But I've been very pleased with this, especially with towing. With my truck and towing a heavy load of over 10,000 pounds, I wanted a good oil that is not going to break down and lose its properties to where I'm going to have a catastrophic failure out on the road. It's been a good oil. A lot of people ask me, why do you go with such an expensive oil? I just, I don't change the oil as the old school days with the old conventional oil at every 3,000 miles. I'm able to just go every 6 months, regardless of the miles. And it's been problem free. So today's an oil change day. Wanted to get this out there and let you folks know if anybody is interested in this and you live in the Hudsonville area of Michigan, reach out and let me know. Otherwise, stay safe out there, folks. Subscribe to the channel, like these videos, get them shared out there, and don't forget we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway for the detailing, and I'm looking around and I may throw some other extras in with that as we go along, and we're looking to close in on the 50 subscriber coming soon. And once we do that, we should be able to at least get the live going and start doing some live segments. So until next time, RK Auto Detailing.